Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel, and I also would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Today I have another quick and easy tutorial for you. I'm going to show you a different way to add strap tabs to your bags. So I will be using the Aran pouch as the bag that I'm going to add the strap tabs to. Usually when you add strap tabs to your bag, you may add them in the seam allowance on the side, and this is just for a wristlet. But if you were doing a crossbody, you would add another strap tab on the other side, and they would be in the seam allowance. Or you can add strap tabs to the top of your bag. It's also in the seam allowance, but it's not on the side. It's in the top of your bag. So this is another way that you can add strap tabs. And I have several different videos on the channel that show you how to add strap tabs in using those methods. But today I'm going to show you how to add strap tabs to the top of your bag. And they are sandwiched in between your main fabric and your zipper. And you have one strap tab on one side and the other strap tab on the other side. Alright, so let's talk about everything you're going to need. First, you're going to need whatever bag that you are making. Right? You're going to need some strap tabs, right? These I'm using, they're 1 inch. So depending on the size of your hardware, that's how you will know what size you need to cut your strap tabs. So for example, mine are 1 inch. So I'm cutting my strap tabs 4 by 2 inches, right? So whatever the size of your hardware is, divide that by 4. That will give you your measurement of how long you need to make your strap tab. So again, mine is 4 by 2 inches. If you have a 1.5 inch D-ring, I'm using the square rings, then you will do 6 by 2 inches, and so on and so forth. I'll link one of my videos in the description box below where I show you how to cut and assemble your strap tabs, because in this video I'm just going to show you how to add the strap tabs to your purse. So go ahead, grab your fabric, cut out your strap tabs, attach them to your D-rings, and we'll get started on how to add those to the purse that you're making. Alright, so I have the back side of the Aran pouch, a lining piece, zipper, and the tab. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the back piece facing with the right side facing up, and you're going to sandwich the tab, the strap tab, in between the main piece and the zipper. So your zipper goes face down, meaning that your zipper pull is facing the right side of your main piece. And I'm going to measure in, let's line this up. I'm going to measure in about 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches. It's up to you how far in you measure. It will depend on the size of the bag that you're making. So I'm going to measure in about 2 inches. I'm going to take the strap tab and I'm going to place it, sandwich it in between the zipper and the main piece. Alright, I'm just going to take a clip and hold that in place. Alright, so once you figure out how far you want to measure in, you make sure you sandwich the strap tab in between the zipper and the main piece. And I keep emphasizing that because the first time I did it wrong. Right, so now take your lining piece, place it on top so that you're sandwiching everything. Together, and pin or clip everything together. Right, so you have your lining, your zipper, your strap tab and your main piece. So when you sew this, you take it to the sewing machine and sew down this edge using your zipper foot. So when you sew it and you open it up and get ready to top stitch, you'll notice that the strap tab is on the right side with the main fabric. All right. Okay, so I've done one side and I have my strap tab sandwiched in between the zipper and my main piece. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do the other side. And I'm just going to take a pin and just pin this out of the way. And pray that I don't stick myself. All right, so you're going to take your zipper tab and you're going to measure in. I'm going to measure in about an 1.5 inches. Right. I'm just going to put a clip right here just to hold it in place. All right. And then take your main piece, this is the front piece, and place it face down. Your zipper pull is facing the right side of the fabric. All right. Just going to clip that. I'm going to flip this over and take the other lining piece and place it on top. And then take some clips or pins, whatever you're using, and clip that in place. All right, and if you want to check it just to make sure it's correct, when you flip it over, you'll see that the other strap tab is on the opposite side of the zipper. All so right. Now take this to the sewing machine and sew down this edge using your zipper foot. All right, once you're all done, you have a zipper tab on the left side of the zipper and a zipper tab on the right side of the zipper, all right, on opposite ends. So I'm just going to unzip my zipper and finish putting together my Aran pouch. Just like any other zipper bag, make sure you unzip your zipper. And also make sure that you leave an opening in the lining so you can turn your bag once you've sewn it all the way around. All right, make sure that you leave a big enough opening in the bottom so that you can turn your bag afterwards. Now, if you want to see the full tutorial on this bag, I'll link that in the description box below so you can see how I make this bag from start to finish, as well as grab the free PDF pattern for this bag. All right, so I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew all the way around, making sure I leave my opening in the bottom of my lining. All right, so you now have your strap tabs, one on one side of the zipper and one on the other side of the zipper, instead of having them here on the side. All right, so I'm just going to take my strap and I'm just going to hook it on. All right, so that's a different way to add strap tabs to a bag. All right, so that is it, guys. Now you have strap tabs at the top of a bag, right? One on one side and one on the other side, and you can wear this now as a crossbody bag. And I'm using the strap that I made in the last tutorial, the fabric covered webbing strap. I'll link that video in the description box below, as well as how to make an adjustable strap. I'll link that in the description box below as well. But now, instead of having just a wristlet or a simple clutch or pouch, now I have turned this into a crossbody bag by adding strap tabs to the top of the bag. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.